Geza test for Mnangagwa. Rizarapena mashoko kubuda panguva inoi achitaurwa panguva ino nebepa naone mukurumbira reThe Standard pamusoro aiwa pemutungamiri wenyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa aiwa his reaction panguva inoi achiudzwa about the passing on yaComrade Bombshell anozivikanwa kuti he is a popular critic wemutungamiri wenyika nehis governance. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timbe mnamobuda nyika mchinzi. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's reaction following the death of his nemesis, Blessed Geza, would be keenly watched amid the outpouring of grief that greeted the announcement of the War Veterans Days. According to a family statement, Geza died at the cardiac hospital in neighboring South Africa on Friday. His death came almost a year after he was forced to go underground as police launched a manhunt for him for demanding Mnangagwa's resignation for alleged incompetence and failure to deal with high-level corruption. Geza, a former ZANU-PF Central Committee member and MP of Sanyati, remained a thorn in the flesh for Mnangagwa and his government until his death. It is not known when he skipped the border to South Africa as details on his last days remained sketchy. Some ZANU-PF officials took to social media to express social condolences and praised Geza's role in the Liberation War, as well as the removal of former President Robert Mugabe from power in the 2017 coup. Information and Communication Technology, Postal and Courier Services Minister Taenda Mavetera, staunch Mnangagwa loyalist, said she had hoped to meet the firebrand war veteran in person. I really was hoping I would get an opportunity in this life to meet you in person, since I never got this chance in the last 39 years of my life, Mavetera posted on X. Unfortunately, we plan, but God knows the final day of each and every one of us. Ndo mashikwana boda nyongwa pangwa ine. Pinako message medu za fungra emo to live on server chitko each. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.